Subscribers. Today I will show you how you can solve this error. The file name of your file and could not be opened. So why you see this message? You see this message because the extension of file, the type of file, is not the same that you use program app to open it. It's not the same thing. That's why you see this message, because app you use for open this file doesn't approve this extension, so this type of file. So how you can solve it? You just need to change type of this file, because sometimes it can be in wrong format. For example, this my file, so I will open it for you and you will see that the file could not be opened. But it's video, I know it because I changed the type of this file. And if you go to get info, and also you will see here type GPG, so I will change it to MPEG-4 and just click enter. So here you will see message, are you sure you want to change the extension from GPG to MPEG-4? And I will choose use this new format. So now you can see that it changed to video, and now I will try to open it, and it successfully opened. So you can see that I can also start play it and everything works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.